This tutorial is going to walk you through the steps needed to add a text box to a slide in Microsoft PowerPoint and how to export a finished presentation into a PDF format on a Mac computer. The first thing I'm going to do here is add a text box to my title slide. The way that I can add a text box to this slide is simply click on the Insert menu, and about 2/3 of the way down, I will see my text box option. By clicking on text box, I can bring my cursor down below my subtitle here. I am going to hold down my mouse, drag it to be the width and height of a text box that I am happy with. So here is my finished text box. I will then add my text to this box. And I am going to add a byline to my presentation. So I'm simply, for this example, just going to type byline goes here. Once I have finished typing my text, if I'm happy with it, I can click anywhere else on the screen. If I'm not happy with it, which I would like for this text to be a little bit smaller, I can simply highlight the text I would like to change, go back to my home menu here, and you will see, or I can see here, my fonts as well as my sizes. I'm going to take this font down one click and see if I go a little bit smaller. It's a little too small. I'm going to leave it at 16. That looks good to me. I'm happy with that byline, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Because this presentation was just meant to be an example, this is my finished presentation. I am going to export this presentation as a PDF. In order to do this on a Mac computer, you will simply go up to the very top navigation bar, click File, then go to Export right here. By default, it comes up showing it as a PDF. I'm going to save this to my desktop, and I am going to call this file Tips and Tricks. I will click Export. I should see a progress bar quickly come up and then go away. Once that progress bar has disappeared, I know that my file has successfully been exported. I hope this tutorial was helpful in going over the steps needed to create a text box and export a file as a PDF in Microsoft PowerPoint.